Hello everyone, in this quick connect we will see how to invoke IntelliJ IDEA from So applications of Ubuntu system and create the first project, that is first Java project, and execute a simple program using IntelliJ IDEA. So I'm just invoking it from So applications. It is a Ubuntu system which is inside my Oracle virtual box. This is a virtual box for Ubuntu image. So now I'm just going to So applications. Now this is my IntelliJ IDEA. So now I'm just going to click on it. Yes. So my IntelliJ IDEA has been launched. It is a community edition. Fine. Now here you can see few options like new project, open the existing project, and if we have something to do with VCS, we can do. We do not want it as of now, so we have to know how to create a project. So I am just in my project option, and I have to create a new project. So I am just going to click on this plus icon. Here I'm going to give the project name. So let's say test project 1, or let's say test project 1. And now this is the project location. If you want to change this is a default location. If you want to change the location, you can click here and you can change. As of now, I'm going with the default location. Now if you want to create a Git repository, you can enable. I do not want to do that. Now I am using Java, and build system is IntelliJ. Now here you can see the JDK option. No SDK option is there. If at all you want to install add SDK, you can download. Here you can see add SDK and download JDK if you want. Now the version of JDK, I am just selecting 21, and I am going with the default things available over here. Then I'm clicking on download. It will take little bit of time. We shall wait for some time again. It will take little more time. You can see the process going on here. Process is still going on. Fine. So now my JDK has been added for JDK 21. Now I have to click on create. So I have to click on create over here. Here you can see the test project has been created. I think it is visible, test project 1. The project name we gave us, test project 1. Now here SRC folder is there. And let me just do one thing. Okay. So now here let me just do one thing. I'm just expanding the SRC folder. You can see the main class here, right? And this is what a sample code which has already been there in the main class. So you can see the main method, public static void, main string arguments. Now here we are having one output statement, that is system.out.println, and let me just remove other things because we want to test a single code with a print statement. It is fine. So I'm just deleting all the other things. Now let me delete this one as well. Okay, so now we need to run. So let me close. To go to this main again, and let's say I need to run this. Here I can see the run option itself is disabled for me. So let us just do one thing. If at all it will not work, I'll create one more project. So let me check, because first time I'm setting up the environment in my system to work on Selenium with Java automation in my Ubuntu, that is Linux operating system. It's a virtual machine. Let me check whether it is working or not. Obviously, as it is a virtual system or virtual machine, the execution process, installation process, debugging process, everything will take time. So we need to be a little bit patient. Yes. So now the run button has been enabled for this main class. Now I am just clicking on run. The process is getting executed. You can see the build processing is happening over here in this blue line, if at all it is visible. Yes, you can see the output here. Hello and welcome. So hello and welcome is the output statement we provided in the script. So we can create our own Java project. We can associate the JDK version 21. Why I associated 21? Because Java 11 is is downgraded now. Fine, so we should go for 21, and yes, after that we can create our class, and we can uh, do the run and debug, and then the run button will be enabled here and we can execute it directly. Fine, if at all you want to create a new class, right click on src and create a new Java class. Let's say tc01, and this is my new Java class. This is the main method, and I am just going to print something else just to test whether my newly created class is working or not. Yes, all set. Now I need to execute this. So what we have to do is we need to go for edit configuration and we need to click on OK. Some syntax error is there. So it is done now. Now here our file is class is ready to execute because we can see the current file and the run button has been enabled for this class. Now I need to click on run button. It is executing here. Now you can see the output statement here. And so way this is the way you can create the project Java class and execute the Java class in Intellij, and it is working fine. Thank you so much. I hope this content is useful for those who are planning to create a test environment in Ubuntu Linux environment by using Intellij editor. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.